Click the gear icon to go to the Stripe settings. Choose business option under the account settings. Then select business details around the top of the screen. On this page, tap on the edit button under the public details section. When you scroll down for a bit, you will see this statement descriptor. So basically, what is written in the statement descriptor is what your customer will see on their bank statement. And when they see a strange name, there is a chance they will think or assume that it's a fraud and hit you with a massive wave of unnecessary chargebacks. So you want to change it similar to your business name or your website URL or your application name. You may also adjust the shortened descriptor if you want. And after changing it, you want to scroll down again and tap on the save button to save your progress. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.